While you may not be able to do bungee jumps with this, these are called as bungee hooks, and this is why you gotta use this. Well, this out here is called the X type of brace. This comes with two different hooks separated out here. Most importantly, this goes on each different side, and the best part is there is a separate ring in the center that you can use to go from one end to the other end and the other end to the other, so that your entire luggage stays at one place. Coming to the second one, we have something from JB Racing. This is amazing because this can do one single end-to-end hooks really well, and the best part, this thing stretches a ton. Coming to the third one, in conjunction with both of these, there is also another one which you can probably use to keep most of your other luggages tight, because you could use a net like this to keep everything in place. Basically, what this does is you put it on the excess luggage which is there, strap it with the hooks provided on each side, on every single side that is there, and voila, there you go, a perfect conjunction of different sized hooks for your next ride. Well, all these you can find at Htrzmodz on our store or also on our website. Check out the link.